Hello children, this is Samita Badola from Jagan Public School. Today I am going to teach you about how to keep yourself healthy. We must take care of our body. To keep it healthy and strong, we should eat healthy food, take proper rest, remain clean and exercise daily. So let's start with food because it plays an important role to keep us healthy. Let's know what should we eat. We should eat healthy and balanced diet. A balanced diet includes the right amount of food from each food group. It helps us to remain healthy. There are three types of food groups. First is energy giving food. We need energy for everything we do. Food that gives us energy is called energy giving food. Rice, potato, sugar and butter gives us lot of energy. Second type is bodybuilding food. Food that helps our bones and muscles to grow strong is called bodybuilding food. Grain, peas, pulses, milk, eggs, and meat are example of bodybuilding food. Third is protective food. Food that protects us from diseases and helps us to remain healthy is known as protective food. Fruits, vegetable, and milk are protective food. Third type is very important because they keep us healthy and protect our body from falling sick. So you should include more vegetable and fruits in your diet and avoid junk food because junk food is good at taste but not good for you. Once in a while you can eat, but don't eat regularly. Keep these golden food habits in your mind to remain healthy. Do not eat stale or uncovered food from the roadside. Eat healthy food and always wash your hand before and after the meal. Do not eat packaged foods. They contain harmful ingredients that take a toll on your health. They can be delicious and highly convenient, but do a lot of harm to your body because they are loaded with preservatives. The side effects of preservatives are plenty from promoting the growth of cancer cells to causing chronic heart disease and mental disorders. So don't eat packaged food, avoid them strictly. Let's know about benefits of drinking water. Our body needs a lot of water. Water helps us to digest food. It flushes waste out of our body. Therefore, we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. We should always drink boiled or filtered water. We can fall sick if we drink dirty water. Jaundice and typhoid are two common diseases caused by dirty water. Let's know more benefits of drinking water. It is vital for almost every function in the body. It maintains proper balance of body fluids. It energizes your muscles. It lubricates your joints. It helps your kidney function well. It helps control your weight. It helps your skin look great. Healthy lifestyle can help you to remain healthy. Playing any kind of a sport regularly is a good way to exercise. Exercise daily to keep your mind and body active and healthy. For example, skipping, aerobics, meditate, dance, walk, jog, and do yoga. Yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices of disciplines which originated in ancient India. It helps you in many ways. It relaxes the mind and body and provides physical and mental health benefits. The purpose of yoga is to build strength, awareness, and harmony in both the mind and body. God gave us a healthy body, and in gratitude, let's take good care of ourselves. To remain healthy, we should follow these golden habits. We should get up early in the morning. We should take bath every day. We need to brush our teeth twice in a day. Trim your nails weekly. Shampoo your hair regularly. Comb your hair to look neat. Oil your hair once a week. Wear clean and iron clothes and take proper rest. Sleep for 8 hours every night. It gives rest to the body and makes us fresh. It is very important for a good health. Avoid eating junk food. Do not overeat. Eat a balanced diet and drink plenty of water. There are lot of ways to help improve your physical well-being, but having quality sleep is probably one of the best. Proper sleep helps your body repair and rejuvenate. Sleep for 8 hours every night. It gives rest to the body and makes us fresh. Proper rest is very important for a good health. These are some unhealthy habits. Avoid them. Watching too much television, sleeping late at night, eating unhealthy food, eating stale and uncovered food, eating without washing your hands. You can keep your body healthy and strong if you will improve your posture. Keep your back straight when you sit or stand. Do not stoop while reading or walking. Do exercise daily. Cleanliness is the most important way to prevent diseases. As the cleanliness of the house is necessary, similarly cleanliness of surrounding is also necessary. Cleanliness is not a necessity but a way of life. Both personal hygiene and clean surrounding promote healthy living. Keeping your nails long can cause bacterial infection. This is because dirt can accumulate in your nail, and we all know that bacteria and germs are attracted to dirt. So, if you don't want to fall sick, cut your nails regularly. Must wash your hand before and after having meals, because if you eat with dirty hand, you may invite diseases. Hope children you enjoy this video and follow the golden habits to keep yourself healthy. Do not eat stale or uncovered food. Do not eat from roadside shop. Do not waste food and water. Eat meals at regular interval. Do not overeat. Wash hand before and after meals. Do not eat in hurry. Chew your food properly. Rinse your mouth after eating. Do not eat too much of fats and sweets. Avoid junk food. Don't watch too much television. Don't sleep late at night. Don't stoop while reading or walking. Do get up early in the morning. Eat healthy and balanced diet. Do exercise daily and give rest to your body for good health. Always remember, healthy body has a healthy mind and you lead a happy life. Thank you so much for watching this video.